Hello my dear friends, and we continue to work with Neptune. We are examining it in different houses of horoscope. We have taken already first and second house, and today we are taking 4 more houses of horoscope. So today is Neptune in third, fourth, fifth and sixth house of horoscope. So you do remember what is third house? It's our speech, it's our communication, in our intellect, it's how we are getting information and able to pass it further on, yeah? So it's all third house of heart, and also it's our commuting every day, it's our context of everyday life, yeah? So what Neptune gives you in third house? There are always pluses and minuses, because Neptune can vibrate on high vibration and low vibration. On high vibration, in plus, what Neptune gives you in third house? Fabulous intuition, of course, very rich imagination, fantastic talent of psychologists. Actually, you might develop this, like you can identify immediately by gestures, by tonality, how person speaks. You might tell exactly whether he's telling the truth or he is lying. So this is actually very rare talent of psychologists you can develop here. Also, you might find the contacts you need like this by magic. So the contact is just like coming into you when they need it, when you need it. The only but, Neptune might give you confusion and speech. Sometimes you are starting with one topic and just ending with another one, absolutely different from the first one, so you don't know how to keep the same line of conversation. Yeah, you are changing subject, you are confusing facts, you are confusing information all the time, so it's not very easy for you to speak properly, yeah, because there is confusion in your speech. Try to make like a plan or something like this. Write your speech before speaking. It will be very good advice for you here. But in writing, you might get really fantastic results. If your child has Neptune in third house of horoscope, don't push him into math, physics, etc., etc. Push him into literature. Give him just paper or notebook or whatever, and he will write fairy tales for you. Encourage him to make fantastic fairy tales and some fantastic stories, because you will have a fantastic writing skills here, yeah? Yeah, just try this, Also, Neptune in third house might give you like you are getting under influence of your opponents, so they will get it easy to influence you, your psychological state, so to say, while having conversation. Also, because third house, it's all about our commuting every day, yeah? Sometimes you might get lost while you are driving, so you have some topographical cretinism, so to say. You are getting lost, you are getting confused while driving. Also, Neptune in third house. Yes, as I said, there will be fantastic skills in psychology, or like a writer, or just try to think about possible career in journalism. This will be absolutely fantastic, opening doors for you. So Neptune here is giving you some pluses as well. Neptune in fourth house of horoscope. You do remember what is fourth house? It's our family, it's our home, it's our motherland. These are all Cancer energies, yeah, Cancerian energies. So Neptune here in fourth house of horoscope gives you, first of all, fantastic psychological skills. Yeah, you do remember Cancerians are fantastic. Oh, they have great intuition. They have this talent of psychologists. They're born psychologists. They are reading all the aura, all the energies around people. They can say by their mimics about their mood or whatever. They can scan this. So if you develop this, skill. You might be a great psychologist, but also what Neptune is giving you here. If you know how to work with money, Greg, or whatsoever, you can just order property for yourself, so to say. It's our home, fourth house, so you might get, like this, a property to live, like a house or apartment or something like this. Also, it gives you a fantastic link with your family, with your all ancestor lines. You just feel them. You might get the information through dreams from them, etc. So you just feel how your relatives feel. I don't know how you are getting this information, but you are connected. It's subconsciously. You are connected to all members of your family, all your relatives, and even dead ones, okay? Also, you have some nostalgic emotions about your motherland, about your town where you were born, about the place you were born, about the home you were born in. You have this special feeling, special connection with the place you were born. But in minus, what Neptune is giving you? Some secrets in your family. People don't say openly what they think, what they feel, or there might be some secrets about your birth. So there is some confusions, some secrets, some unsaid things in your family, in your home. So be vigilant here, yeah? Also, one of your parents might have alcohol dependencies. That's minus of the Neptune and fourth house of horoscope. Also, you might have to look after a family member, but it will be like self-sacrificing for you, because you do remember Neptune, it's Pisces energy, 12th house of horoscope energies. It's all about serving others, helping others, self-sacrificing. So Neptune in 4th house of horoscope might give you this situation that you have to self-sacrifice to look after someone, okay? Also, if you see that Neptune is giving you this confusions, this chaos at home, these difficulties in family, try to drag this energy into esoteric sciences, occult sciences, work with psychology, like a parapsychologist or whatsoever. Try to put this energy into developing your skills as a medium or psychic or something like this, because Neptune will give you these doors open, okay, in order to drag this confusion from your family. This will be the advice of astrology for you. Then we are going Neptune in 5th house of horoscope. You do remember what's 5th house? It's our love, romantic side of story. Our children as well, our creation, our creativity and being artistic, and our pleasures. It's how we are having holidays, and it's just like a pleasures and leisures in our life. So also Neptune can give you pluses, Neptune can give you minuses here. In pluses, it gives you creativity skills, whatever you are doing. Basically, many poem writers, songwriters, music writers, musicians, artists, dancers, actors, they have Neptune in 5th house of horoscope. So creativity is absolutely no borders here at all. You can be creative in every aspect of this, like creating your own gallery, or creating your touristic company, or creating some leisure business or whatsoever. Neptune gives you such fantastic creativity. You can go into design, to design interior design, or clothes, or home decorations, or whatever you are doing in your creation side of the life. It will be fantastic, because Neptune will give you green light, open all the doors for you here, yes? But in love, it might give you not necessary, not needed idealization of your partner. You are basically like with pink glasses. You can't see things properly. You can't see the real things about your partner, the reality about your romance. You are making yourself confused. You are inventing this fairy tale, and what afterwards? You are absolutely disappointed and all your illusions crushed down. So be very realistic about your loves, okay? Because it might give you this, you know, fairy tale attitude towards love. That's what Neptune in 5th house of horoscope. Also, Neptune gives you, it's like a sign of many children in your family. So you might have many children, and these children might have very creative nature. Actually, they might be very creative personalities. Also, you might fall in love with Neptune character. And who is Neptune character? Either he is just you know, a romantic person who loves alcohol, who loves pleasures and leisures, etc., etc., who is creative person, who can be musician, songwriter, whatever, or he might be alcohol manufacturer or whatever. So either he is giving you Neptune-like partner, either many children, either you might get pregnant. It's unexpected pregnancy while being drunk. So basically you're going to party, drinking party or whatever, you're having casual sex and bumps, you're pregnant. So please be vigilant here. I'm talking to girls right now, yeah? What I'm saying, be vigilant here, okay? You don't want to conceive while being in Neptune mood, in being drunk or whatever, okay? Awesome. Yes, if you work here with all the creative professions, like, as I said already, you're artist, you're music writer, whatever, yeah? Or you're actor, or you are interior design, or you are filmmaker, or you're making like small videos for singers or whatever. Or you are on the stage and you are singing songs yourself, it will be absolutely fantastic here, okay? So push this Neptune into creativity, not into confusion with making love and with making children, okay? Be vigilant here. Well. Or you might even have a child outside of marriage, or your partner, your husband might have a child from another woman. So just be vigilant here, okay? Because Neptune might give you unnecessary confusion in your love affairs. You might have secret love affairs, or you might develop this sex dependencies or something like this. So try to be realistic in love side of 5th house of horoscope, okay? Also, it's 6th house of horoscope today as well. So you do remember what 6th house of horoscope. It's our work, it's our duties, it's our pets and our health as well. So all these questions on the 6th house of horoscope, and if Neptune comes there, what it will be? There is no any borders, any strict shaping whatsoever about your work duties, about what you're supposed to do at your work, who is the boss, who is the employee, what are your working duties. There is confusion everywhere, but there are some secrets, some intrigues with your colleagues, and you don't know actually what you're supposed to do at your work. You can't do the project at the exact time, so all the time frames, etc. sounds absolutely crazy for you. So the best way here is to find flexible hours or some creative profession where you don't have like boss-like, yeah, where you just have to report every your step. So you are free to work when you want how you want, and you are free to make your own professional decisions. So nobody is on you to, to control every your step at your work. So try to find this workplace where you are the maximum free to make your own professional decision and to create. Creative professions, as I said already in 5th house of horoscope, are all yours. So please try to find something for you that you are not stamped on, okay, with your boss and his requirements. Also, you might work in some secret organization as well, yeah? Or you might change workplaces all the time, or you might travel a lot by work duties. Also, if you are working with esoteric and occult sciences, if you are working with psychology, it will be absolutely fantastic. Or you might work in medicine, because you do remember 6th house of horoscope is medical house as well. So if you are working with pharmacies, if you are working with medicine somehow, it will be absolutely fantastic. It's not the house for surgeons, for example. I mean Neptune in 6th house, because you need this exact work to be done here. But if you're working as a like physiotherapies, for example, it will be absolutely perfect here. So, or you can be alcohol manufacturer as well, yeah, because everything connected with liquids are also under Neptune. In minus, if Neptune has hard aspects there, be careful about your health, because it will give you some confusion with diagnosis, okay? You might have problems with poisoning as well, with water retention as well, with your feet as well, and also psychosomatic medical conditions. So be vigilant about your health, especially if Neptune has negative aspects from other planets, because it is not very good influencing for the health subjects of the 6th house of horoscope. If you can find a pet from orphanage, for example, and you are taking this pet home, it will be fantastic, because Neptune is Pisces energy. It's about self-sacrificing, it's about servicing, it's about helping others. So in 6th house, it's pets. So if you take an animal from orphanage, it will be fantastic. It will drag the energy out of health sector of the 6th house of horoscope. Also, it might be aquarium pets as well, so like tortoise and different kind of water creatures, jellyfish or fishes, etc. So these are your recommendations in order to neutralize negative Neptune in 6th house of horoscope. Okay, my dears, we will take next houses of horoscope in our next videos. And bye for now. Have a wonderful day. Good luck with everything. Please share this video with others, because astrology gives you power to control this energy, to make them work the most efficient way, and to be vigilant on some, not very happy points of this. So please stay with me. I'm giving you just a squeeze, just the essential information about your natal chart and how to work with these energies. I am Astrology Marina McGraw. Please give me a like to say thank you for my lessons. Bye bye for now.